The city of Lubbock confirming 2 more cases of the coronavirus earlier today. That makes the total 5, 4 of which are residents of Lubbock County and 1 from Hockley County. Now, going back to that 3rd confirmed case, we know that the patient traveled out of the country, and through that investigation, the health department learned about someone who was also on that same trip, and they have tested positive as well. As far as that 5th patient, the city provided the public with information on both their age range and whereabouts, specifically on March 14th and 16th. Our Leah Doherty joining us now. Leah, they were at 5 different places.
That's right, Terry. Now, before we go through this, I first want to mention that there is a low risk of exposure if you visited any of these places, and if you happen to be at those places at that specific date and time, just make sure to keep a close eye on your symptoms. Now, we do know that this new 5th case, the patient is between 15 to 25, and this investigation is ongoing. So we know that they visited a graduation ceremony at Sunset Church of Christ on March 14th.
They also visited the Walmart off of Frankfort in the Loop between 9:30 and 11 a.m. and Hobby Lobby off of 76th Street between 9:30 and 11.
Now, the last 2 locations are Market Street off 19th, also from 9:30 to 11 a.m., and Dollar General off 34th and Slide between 2 to 3 in the afternoon.
This really shows how important it is for individuals to stay home when they're not feeling well or they have any symptoms. One person going out to these stores can put other individuals at risk.
To limit exposure, Market Street has implemented new protocol that requires frequented areas of the store to be cleaned hourly. And they're not the only ones.
All of these retail establishments, our grocery stores, are doing lots of work to make sure that they clean high touch points regularly.
Starting tonight at midnight, Lubbock will fall in line with Governor Abbott's executive order.
Eating or drinking at bars, restaurants, and food courts. It also prohibits visiting gyms or massage parlors.
A reminder that grocery stores, gas stations, parks, and banks will continue operations.
Do FaceTime with somebody and have coffee over FaceTime instead of at the shop, right?
Governor Abbott's order is in place for 2 weeks, but practicing social distancing doesn't mean you have to stay at home.
Don't stay in your pajamas all day long. Don't sit in front of the TV all day long. Get up, get outside, get dressed, act like your normal daily routine.
And most importantly, check up on your friends, neighbors, and loved ones.
Let's get out and help somebody else. Run an errand for somebody else. When we're not focusing on ourselves and we're focusing our attention and helping somebody else, that gives us a sense of purpose.